Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Today we are going to see class 1, subject is EVS, topic name is clean and fit and healthy. Clean, fit and healthy. See, this lesson we have to see keeping clean. How do we have to keeping clean? This lesson we have to see. See, to stay healthy, we should keep ourselves clean and fit. We know very well, no, if you have to stay healthy means we should keep our body fit and healthy. How should keep our body fit and healthy means we should do exercise regularly and we should follow the food habits regularly. So, these things are keep our body fit and healthy. If you are fit and healthy means we can stay alive such a long time, isn't it? Then, brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. We know very well we have to brush twice a day. Twice a day means before going to bed at night, okay, because we are having the food, no, at the dinner we are having, no, some leftover particles we may stay back in our teeth. So, we should brush before going to bed. If you not brush means what will happen? Some microbes can grow in the leftover food and then they can make a bad smell and some toothache also may cause. So, that is why we have to brush our teeth twice a day. One is the morning as well as everyone doing morning brush, isn't it? But at the night before going to bed, many of you didn't do the before going to bed brush. So, hereafter we should do twice a day, we have to brush twice a day, okay. Then next one, wash our hands before going and after eating. Wash our hands before and after eating. Why means we are playing, we are touching many things. So, some microbes, we cannot see the microbes with our naked eye, no. So, many microbes can stay back our hand. If you are having the microbes inside our body means it may cause diseases, we may fall sick. So, we should wash our hands before going to eat. After the eating also we should wash because some food particles is there, no. So, we should wash before eating and after eating. These things is we have to follow means we may stay back where we can stay healthy and strong. Then we should bath every day with soap and water. We know very well, no, every day we should brush twice a day and then we should wash our hands often, then we should bath every day. Why should we should bath? Because we are going outside, many dusters will affect us and then we have the sweatings. So, they will cause the diseases, we may get the skin problems. So, if you are bath regularly, we can avoid this skin effect and then like this diseases. That is why we have to bath every day. After bathing, we should use the clean dry towel to swipe our body and then we should wear the clean cloth. We should wear the clean cloth means wash properly and then brush the dress neatly. Afterwards we should use the cloth because the cloth also having sometimes the dirts and microbes, it may cause the disease to us. So, we should use the clean cloth after bathing. Are you clear, children? What we see, what are the rules we see here to stay back healthy? We stay healthy means we should follow some things. What are the means? We should bath every day and then wash your hands before and after eating and then brush our teeth twice a day. We should do the exercise. These are the things we saw there. Okay, then keeping fit. How do we keep the fit? Listen, we must exercise. We must exercise every day. We know very well, no, we should exercise every day, we should exercise. Then exercise keep us fit. Why should we do exercise? Why should we exercise every day? Because exercise keep our body fit. How it keeps our body fit means, if you are doing the exercise, our muscles and bones will be tight. It may get the enough tight. So it keep our body fit. And then exercise make us healthy and strong. We know very well, no, exercise make us, if our bones and muscles will be strength means we are very healthy. Then playing is good exercise. What is the best exercise for us means playing. You are all children, no, so you don't need to do the special exercise for that. You are playing very well means it is the best exercise. Playing means what you have to play? Play in the video games and play in the YouTube channels like that. No, we have to play outdoor games. Why we should play outdoor games means we may get the sunlight outside only. If we are getting the sunlight, our skin having the some nutrition is there, no, vitamin D is there. If we get the sunlight means this vitamin D may be activated. So we should play the outdoor games. What are the outdoor games? What are outdoor games means? Walking, running, swimming, like these outdoor games we have to do. Okay. Then we must sleep for 8 hours every day. Rest and okay. We have to follow some rules for fitness, and then we should do for some exercise. If we are doing like this continuously means what will happen our body? Our body we may take the tired. If you are doing like this continuously means our body will get the tired, no. So we should compulsory we should take the rest. How should we take the rest means sleeping is the best rest to take us. Okay. How to sleep means we should go to bed early before 10 o'clock at night 10 o'clock we should go to bed early. We should sleep compulsory 8 hours per day. Okay. Then we should wake up early in the morning. If you follow this thing means we may be stay healthy. Isn't it? I told you, no, we should sleep 8 hours per day. We should sleep 8 hours per day and then go to bed early as well as wake up early. This is the rest of our body. Then, okay, if you are not get the enough rest means what will happen? We cannot sleep. Okay, what will happen? If we are not get enough rest, we are doing continuously working means our body will get tired. Afterwards, it continues the tired means afterwards we may fall sick. Okay, see, we get tired after we work or play. If you are working or playing anything means we lose of our energy. We loses our energy, no. So we may get back again the energies. If you not get energy again means we cannot do any work. So after the work and play we must take the rest. Suppose we are not get the rest, we may fall sick. Then staying healthy. How to stay healthy? Listen. To keep healthy, we should eat healthy food. What should you do? We should eat healthy food. If you are having healthy food, what is healthy food? Healthy food means this like fruits, vegetables, these are all called the healthy food. Okay, the junk food is not a healthy. The only this vegetable, fruits, nuts and then pulses, cereals, these are all only called the healthy food, because these foods only giving our body energy and then carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, many minerals will be present in these fruits and vegetables. That's why we have to eat like this healthy food. Okay, why do we have the healthy food means food only keep our body to grow. How do we are growing? No, how we are growing? We are having the food, then only we can grow, because food only give us energy. Then food gives us energy, we know very well. If you are not take even food in the 2 days or 3 days means what will happen? You cannot do anything, you cannot do, isn't it? So we should take the food, afterwards only we can do our work. So we should eat our food healthy. Then we must also drink clean water. If you are having food continuously but we didn't drink any water means what will happen? Our food didn't digest clearly. So if we want to digest our food nicely means we should drink 6 to 8 tumblers of water every day. I told you 8 hours we should sleep as well as we should have 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. If you are drinking this water, this only make our digestion easy. So we should stay healthy means we should have healthy food, because healthy food only keep our body grow and stay healthy and strong. And then we should drink clean water. How much water we have to drink? 6 to 8 glasses of water we have to drink every day. Okay children, this lesson is over. Then to receive our lessons, please press the subscribe button. You can receive the latest updates. Thank you children.